Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCatus. Brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today, according to SoSoValue. The first is, at the European Economic Forum in Sintra, Portugal, when asked if the Federal Reserve would further ease monetary policy if tariffs did not trigger inflation, Federal Reserve Chairman Powell said, "After assessing the size of the tariffs, we decided to hold off on taking action." He expects inflation to rise slightly this summer due to the impact of tariffs. So with the economy still robust, the Federal Reserve chose to remain patient, and waiting is the most prudent approach. Powell said he could not say whether a rate cut in July would be premature, but stressed that we will not rule out the possibility of any meeting in advance, and the next step will depend entirely on data performance. Next news. NYSE, listed DDC Enterprise Limited, announced the completion of its previously announced financing, totaling $528 million, with investors including Anson Funds. This financing is expected to provide DDC with immediate funds to implement its corporate Bitcoin accumulation strategy. The company plans to use the net proceeds from the offering to purchase Bitcoin.
Nice.
Next news. Figma, a San Francisco-based cloud collaboration design software company, has filed for an IPO with the SEC. As of March 31, 2025, the company held approximately $69.53 million in Bitcoin spot ETFs. According to the disclosure, the board of directors approved a 30 million Bitcoin investment plan on May 8, 2025, and subsequently purchased an equivalent value of USDC stablecoins on a one-to-one basis, with plans to reinvest the stablecoins in Bitcoin in the future.
That sounds pretty good.
Next news. Amid recent market volatility, Hyperliquid has emerged as a focal point with a record-breaking 1.5 trillion in on-chain derivatives trading volume and its token HYPE surging past 45. Analysts note that if HYPE reaches a conservative target of 76, its fully diluted valuation would approach 84% of Solana's. To sustain higher valuations and truly compete with SOL in the long run, the Hyperliquid ecosystem urgently needs to incubate killer apps on par with Solana's standout project, Pump Fun.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Next news. On July 2, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approved an amendment to convert the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund into an ETF covering Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, SOL, ADA. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.